Hi, I'm Evan Walters. I'm part of the Sales Academy here at Exponential-e. I joined in November. Before Exponential-e, I was studying psychology at the University of Hull, where I finished in May. I'm really looking forward to undertaking the Technical Salesperson Apprenticeship here at Exponential-e. I'm looking forward to learning lots of new technical knowledge and applying that across different parts of the business.
Hi, my name is Brunt. I'm also part of the Sales Academy at Exponential-e. Before this, I did a degree in Business Management from the University of Portsmouth. I'm really looking forward to expanding my role and understanding more about sales and growing my sales skills, and also understanding more about the technology that underpins Exponential-e's platform.
Hi, my name's Alex Waring. I'm part of the Exponential-e Sales Academy. Before joining the company, I studied at the University of Exeter, where I studied business economics. In terms of now looking forward in the business, I'm very excited to get started in joining a team, building relationships not only with those around me, but also with potential clients.
Hi, I'm Davey. I've just joined the Sales Academy at Exponential-e to become a level 3 IT Technical Salesperson. Before this, I was selling Jaguars and Land Rovers at a dealership back home. What I really want to get out of the apprenticeship is to become a successful, well-rounded salesperson.
Hi, my name's Matilda Brookes and I started at Exponential-e in November. Before I started here, I was working in a pub and finishing my degree at Anglia Ruskin University in sports coaching and physical education. I'm really excited to start my apprenticeship in IT Technical Sales to gain further knowledge of technology and learn more skills that I can then apply within my role.
Hi, I'm Khushil Desai, part of the Exponential-e Sales Academy. Before Expo, I was at the University of East Anglia reading geography. I'm really looking forward to the IT Technical Sales Apprenticeship, where I'm going to grow my skills and develop my industry knowledge.